Have you ever found yourself doing just what you need to do to emotionally survive in whatever situation you are in? Whether it's those childhood memories, or maybe at work you just put your head down and do what you need to do, or maybe you're at a family event, or maybe you are at a big conference, or maybe it was some childhood things. Well, that's what this symbolic message is addressing today. The message that's coming through, or the image that's coming through from Spirit, is the Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls. And I swear I'm really aging myself with this image because, this is at least another 50-year-old image. And what Spirit is showing me is the Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls being at the bottom of a toy box, and loads and loads and loads of other kind of unused, forgotten toys are at the bottom of this toy box. And then once you kind of get above, there's all these kind of scattered toys around. But what Spirit is showing when I ask, so what does that mean? If the Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls are representing who you are emotionally and shoving down those emotions to the bottom of your own toy box, and that your emotions on or outside the toy box are scattered everywhere, this message is about reconnecting with those emotions, opening up and pretending that you can open up that toy box. You can move out the toys, reorganize them, because each toy is symbolically going to represent your emotions. Pulling out the Raggedy Ann and Andy doll that represent your own kind of balanced male and female energies as well. Dust them off, bring them out, and as you're doing that, imagine your own suppressed emotions are gently, gently, gently moving all the way up and out the top of your head, so that you can be a fully expressive human being again. And don't worry, your spirit's got your back. Your spirit's going to take care of you. But it's time to start to come alive again and enjoy the emotions, because after all, we are a human being. That's why we're here on earth, because we've got beautiful emotions to express. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments section what it was like for you to open that lid and bring those emotions back to the top again. And I look forward to seeing you on the next message.